Are you curious about Zed AI and Cursor? Let's dive in and see how these two tools stack up against each other. In this video, we'll compare Zed AI and Cursor. Both are designed to help you with writing and coding tasks, but they have unique features that set them apart. Zed AI is an AI powered writing assistant. It helps you generate text quickly and efficiently. Whether you need help with articles, emails, or even creative writing, Zed AI can provide smart suggestions. It aims to make your writing process smoother. On the other hand, Cursor is a tool focused on coding. It assists programmers by offering code suggestions and automating repetitive tasks. If you are a developer looking to speed up your coding workflow, Cursor might be the right fit for you. Now, let's look at the key differences between them. Zed AI is more about general writing, while Cursor is tailored for coding. If your main goal is to write content, Zed AI is your go to. But if you're coding, Cursor has the features you need. When it comes to features, Zed AI offers various templates and writing styles. It can adapt to your tone and needs. Cursor, however, provides code snippets, debugging help, and integration with coding environments. Each tool excels in its own area. Pricing is another factor. ZAI usually offers a subscription model, while Cursor may have different pricing plans, often based on usage. Both aim to provide value for their users. So, which one should you choose? If you're a writer, ZAI is likely the better option, but if you're a coder, Cursor will serve you well. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.